Best diet plans when you have diabetes. Maintaining a healthy weight is an essential thing for people with a diabetic issue. To keep its weight well controlled, needs the right plans with a healthy diet. It may control blood sugar levels and prevent diabetes complications. There are some factors to be considered before deciding the diet you applied: age, general health, and the target on how much weight you need to lose. The best diet should make helpful long-term changes to lose weight safely. Number 1. Start with the basic. Rather than make you feel starving, it will be easier to change the way you eat. Start with the basic rule. Watch the portion size and calorie intake. Try always to calculate calories every time you eat. Keep in mind that everything fresh is better than fried foods, sweet snacks, sugary drinks, anything salty or fatty. Choose plant foods that contain fiber instead, like dried beans, peas, fruit, vegetables, nuts, whole grain, lentils, etc. It helps you to slow down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream naturally. You also need to check the portion of your serving size. Try to reduce it smaller to keep blood sugar steady. Number 2. Low carbs. Dieting doesn't mean that you have to omit carbohydrates from your meal. Just limit them or choose to mix it with more healthy, high-fiber foods. Consume more protein and healthful fats instead. Some studies have been proven that this type of diet is an effective way for those people with diabetes. Number 3. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet involves lots of fruits, veggies, whole grains, nuts, seeds, olive oil, fish and egg. It may be a useful approach to keep the weight balanced. This diet can help control your blood sugar, prevent heart disease, strokes, increase longevity, and protect against type 2 diabetes. Number 4. DASH. Nutrition experts have recommended that the DASH diet may help you lower blood pressure and improve insulin sensitivity. It is a flexible and balanced eating plan that emphasizes lots of vegetables, fruits, and low-fat dairy products. Before applying this diet for diabetes, you need to adjust the serving goals based on individual circumstances. Number 5. The Zone Diet. The main goal of the Zone Diet is to keep blood sugar stable. It allows you to eat a certain amount of carbs, protein, fat at any meal. It supports health and wellness by reducing inflammation in the body. You can apply by creating your serving with 40% carbs, 30% protein, 30% fat. It gives a positive effect on glycemic control and waist size. Number 6. Weight Watchers. Weight Watchers has been the most well-known dieting program in the world for years. The diet uses a points-based system that assigns different point values to food by some factors such as calorie, protein, fat, and sugar content. Number 7. Prepackaged diet meals. Prepackaged diet plans may be a viable alternative to help you lose weight and stay healthy. Some people say that it is the most ubiquitous delivery program, but some health experts state that it works. You can find a variety of ready-made meals out there. Just pick one brand you trust. But you have to be careful because they aren't always diabetes friendly. Talk to your doctor to help choose your brands. Number 8. Paleo. The basic of the paleo diet is that people can eat only food similar to what might have been eaten during the Paleolithic period. So you can only eat like the way early hunter-gatherers before modern farming did. You can have only fruits, veggies, grass-fed lean meat, nuts, seeds and fish. There is no dairy, grains, legumes, refined sugar, soybean oil, etc. Number 9. Gluten-free. A gluten-free diet is a popular diet that excludes the protein gluten. It is essential for managing celiac disease and other conditions associated with it. However, the diet is also popular among people with no gluten-related medical condition. Gluten can be easily found in grains including barley, wheat, rye, oats, etc. People believe that this diet will help lose weight, improve gastrointestinal health, and boost energy. To follow this diet, you have to avoid products with gluten inside and substitute them with other healthy products that provide the same nutrients. Number 10. Vegetarian and vegan. Being a vegetarian means limiting, avoiding, or omitting animal products. Frankly speaking, vegetarians are people who don't eat meat at all. They get substitution of the nutrient from the plant-based products. However, people start to call themselves vegetarian like vegans, total vegetarian, lacto-ovo, lacto-ovo, and partial vegetarians. Number 11. Raw foods. Some people believe that high cooking temperatures will destroy vital compounds in food. To follow this diet, you must eat everything raw. This way is likely to help you lose weight, but still there's no evidence that it will impact diabetes symptoms effectively. Number 12. Alkaline diet. People who follow the alkaline diet believe that the body becomes more acidic when you keep consuming foods like meat, wheat, and sugar. It can lead to bringing long-term diseases. On the other hand, healthy foods like vegetables, fruits, and seeds will keep you being slim and staying healthy. Number 13. Fasting or intermittent fasting. Studies prove that fasting or intermittent fasting is good for health. This diet may lead to losing weight, reducing inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, improving both physical and emotional health, etc. There are different fasting methods you can follow that suit your condition. It focuses on time-restricted eating at different levels from 14 to 16 hours overnight pass. But going starving for too long can be dangerous for you, so be careful. That's all the information on the best diet plans for people with diabetes. Hopefully, this information can help all of you in controlling and managing your diabetes. Please check out the description below to learn some info and tips for improving your health. We'd love to hear your feedback. Please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching.